Hello everyone, my name is Sri Reddy. I'm studying Artificial Intelligence and its Data Science Department with the College of Arts and Institute of Technology. My roll number 222H1A30F5. I done my summer internship, full semester summer internship in the company I genuine in the domain full stack developer. And coming to company, company is iGenium. It is a education company. It provides software training platform and focus on main placements of the students. Irrespective of the colleges, they provide some placements in the locally. Or okay, yes. Another one is our course of things. Firstly, we discuss about our internship details. I completed a full semester internship at iGenu from June 2025 to January 13, 2026. My internship mainly focuses on providing practical exposure to programming and development skills. And we gain some lot of skills in its basics and examples are gain knowledge in programming Java during the internship period, and then learn front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript also. And coming to development, we can develop some action projects using the front end and Java programming language. And also we develop an understanding of data structures. We applied practice aptitude and judgment to improve analytical skills. And technology we use in the training. Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language used to develop secure, scalable, and high-performance applications, including web applications and back-end systems. And then HTML. HTML is a front-end language. HTML full form hypertext markup language used to design and structure web pages like defining elements such as headings, paragraphs, images, links. And another one is CSS. It is a front-end language. It is used to style and design web pages by applying colors, layouts, fonts, and responsive design for better user experience. Yeah, another coming to another one, JavaScript. A dynamic scripting language used to create interactive web pages, handle events, perform validations, and improve user interactions. And the Java concept we covered during the training to gain strong knowledge of core Java concepts such as variables, data types, loops, methods. To understand Java-oriented program concepts like classes, object, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. These are the concepts which are uh, deeply discussed in our training. To another one to develop simple and real-time applications using Java programming. Uh, to improve coding skills, logical thinking, and problem-solving ability. We done some activities during our internship time. The first, we developed user interface for ATM transaction system using HTML and CSS, and also use some JavaScript uh, concepts to validate our cascading style sheets and HTML and our programming with Java. Implemented backend logic for transactions such as deposit, withdrawal using Java. Yeah, integrated front-end with backend for smooth data flow. Connect application with MySQL database for storing user and transaction details because that is most secure. And also perform testing and debugging. Ensure proper functionality of system. You can improve some code quality and perform handle errors effectively. And then coming to Java variables. Variables are one of the concept in Java. Variables are nothing but a containers for storing data values. In Java, there are different types of variables. For example, string, int, float, char, boolean. You can discuss one by one. A string is nothing but it stores text such as hello, hi, how are you, like this. Strings are also surrounded by double quotes because strings are in alphabet. Another one is integer. It stores integer values, that means whole numbers also, without decimals, such as 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 10, etc. 4. It stores 4-point number with decimals, such as 19.99, minus 19.99, 2.3, 6.4. That's. And another one is char. It stores single characters, such as A, B, C, such as single characters it stores. And it is surrounded by single quotes. And another one is boolean. Stores values with two steps, that is either true or false. And another one, next one is HTML functions. You know, HTML means hypertext markup language. It is used to create and structure web pages. It is the basic building block of all websites. HTML defines content such as text, images, links, fonts, buttons, etc. It uses different tags to organize and display content properly. HTML works together with CSS for design and JavaScript for interactivity and validations. Another one is it is the best and basic example of HTML. And we can take title as my page and we can do H means H1 is heading, hello world, P means paragraph, this is a paragraph. And we can store it as HTML tags within the body. We can read up the HTML tags. And next one is CSS. You know, CSS means cascading style, so it is used to style and design tools. Tools are layout, colors, fonts, and overall appearance. It helps in making web pages attractive and user-friendly. Supports responsive design for different screens. Works together with HTML and visual representations. And CSS uses three methods to apply styles to HTML. First one is inline, second one is internal, third one is external. First is inline CSS. It is embedded within the HTML code, and external CSS we can write code and import to the HTML code. Another one is JavaScript code. JavaScript is high-level interpreted scripting language created by Hayden H. in 1995, powering 99% of websites for client-side behavior. It manipulates the DOM handles click, movements like clicks, fonts, and support server-side modules. Core characteristics of JavaScript we can discuss in 5 minutes. First one is dynamic typing, means variables adapt types at runtime. And another one is job gen oriented and functional, uses code types, classes, first class functions, closures. Another one is single thread. Event loop handles asynchronous operations like functions, async, wait. And key features are given manipulation, document, get element by ID is the one of the example for DOM manipulation in emails and data structures. Challenges face a difficulty in understanding basic concept of HTML structure and tags in the beginning. Challenge in the designing layouts and aligning elements using CSS. Find it difficult to make web pages responsive to different screen sizes. Encountered issues like implementing interactivity using JavaScript. Errors occurred when handling events and form validations in JavaScript. Basic challenges in understanding core concepts like Java programming and debugging errors and fixing logical issues in Java programming was time consuming in the beginning. Later we can or you know difficulty in integration content like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, back and Java. Thank you. Finally, successfully completed the official mission stable practical knowledge, gained strong understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java programming. Developed technical coding and problem solving skills, understand real-time application platform and logic. Confidence in building web-based applications. This internship prepared me for future opportunities in the IT industry. Thanks.